Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. I'm just going to go over a couple of things here to show you what to look for in these clutch baskets and clutch hubs. So here we have our pressure plate right here. This is our hub, and this is our basket. So this clutch right here, it's got a couple of problems, so it's perfect for me to show you what to look for. First off, we're going to look for grooves in the fingers. Look how bad that is, okay? This thing is shot. All right. And then if you look at the hub right here, same thing. We got grooves all inside of there. So these grooves right here are coming from the metal plates. All right, these are coming from the metals that are sitting in here. All right, and then we have the ones out here. These are from the fibers. All right, so the fibers are wearing. And what happens when you get those in there, you get a lot of play in the clutch fibers. You don't get good clutch feel. They hang up on these little wear marks in here and grooves that get stuck inside there. Now also here on your pressure plate, there's grooves. You can visually see them. I don't even have to show you, but you can look at that. See those grooves? All right, you want that to be nice and smooth here. All right, and then on your hub, you want them to be smooth here. You don't want any grooves in this, and you don't want any grooves in here. All this stuff is going to affect the way that your clutch works, and it's not going to give you smooth clutch operation. And don't forget also, when your metals and fibers, your metals can get warped, and your fibers have a minimum thickness. It's all in your manual. Measure them out. Make sure you're not beyond the minimum thickness here. Make sure you don't have any grooves, marks in this, overheating marks, discoloring, and warpage. Look for this stuff, guys, when you're doing a clutch. If this is damaged, replace it like I did on this YZ. Make sure that you get new stuff in here and make it look good and work properly. So guys, hopefully this helps you out, shows you what to look for. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notification, guys. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.